Rachio-3. Wi-Fi enabled, 16-zone, smart sprinkler controller, by Rachio. Review. Are you looking for Wi-Fi enabled, smart sprinkler controller to help you optimize your in-ground irrigation system? Wi-Fi enabled, smart sprinkler controller, by Rachio, is ideal to help you optimize your in-ground irrigation system by auto-adjusting to weather and soil conditions. How Wi-Fi enabled, smart sprinkler controller, by Rachio, can help you. A smart sprinkler controller is like a smart thermostat for your garden or yard. It optimizes your in-ground irrigation system by auto-adjusting to weather and soil conditions, making a healthy landscape easier while cutting water use. After a season testing 13 models, we think the Rachio-3 is the best for most people. It adjusts to real-time weather conditions and integrates with many smart devices, yet remains simple to use. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Significant drop in water consumption. Works with most irrigation systems. Connects to weather stations in your area to help predict whether or not rain will be coming your way. When you first install it, make sure that the system decides to skip a watering schedule. Easy troubleshooting and maintenance. Rachio controller makes troubleshooting or maintenance of your sprinkler system very easy. You don't have to run a zone and run back to the controller to switch zones. Switching zones is done from your smartphone. Delay watering as needed. Rachio integrates with home automation platforms, including Control4, SmartThings, and Wink. This is useful because you can write rules to delay the watering schedule. It can save you from total embarrassment during an outdoor gathering. Get watering skip notifications. You can get notifications every time the schedule runs, or if watering is skipped due to rain. This will help you to keep an eye on what is happening and take the guesswork out of watering with a Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller. Experience fast DIY installation. Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controllers replace 99% of existing sprinkler controllers. Installation takes about 30 minutes or less, with no special tools needed. In-app installation tutorial will guide you to get online and start watering in no time. Based on over 3,430 customer reviews and overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. 16-zone Smart Sprinkler Controller by Rachio is a popular, auto-adjusting, Wi-Fi enabled sprinkler controller for your in-ground irrigation system. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. So easy now. Wow, this thing changed my life. I could never figure out how to work the standard system with the schedules. This makes it so easy. Plus, the feature that automatically turns it off if rains is amazing. Says Jane. This controller is incredible. This controller is incredible. It has been scheduling for the last month, all based on my inputs on the daily flex schedule. It's amazing how it breaks up various zone watering and allows for soak time. The smart features to skip when wind is too high, temperatures too low, or incoming weather have saved me tons of water this month alone. Couldn't be happier. This is a must-have. Says Weston M. White. Awesome controller. Quick and easy setup. I got rid of my SkyDrop controller that was constantly disconnecting from Wi-Fi. SkyDrop blamed it on my Wi-Fi and wouldn't honor their warranty. So, I switched to Rachio. The Rachio controller has had no issues at all. Plus, it was much easier to set up than the SkyDrop. Says Braden. Great automation tool. I've had this unit for about a month. Easy to set up and use. It has already saved me twice from running my zones when it rained and I was out of town. Where I live, the water is very expensive. So, I think this will pay for itself very quickly. The software allows you to use one of several local weather stations in the area as an indicator of whether we have received any precipitation or not. If so, then the zones won't run for the next scheduled time. You can set a threshold on how much it needs to rain before the zones won't run. Says Joe. Not as smart as they allege. This is allegedly a smart watering system. Yet, I get a rain delay alert indicating the system will not run because of rain in the forecast. It pours rain, and then the system runs anyway. I've tried adjusting the settings, and updating the app, and neither has resolved the issue. I received the rain delay notice yesterday, and it rained a lot all day. I woke up to an alert, the system had watered, and ironically, it was still raining. I checked the app, and there aren't even any updates. Says Stephen Martin. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.